Hello everyone, I'm Pharmacist Michael, and today I'm going to talk about something a little different. I'm going to talk about morning rituals and how these can improve not only your happiness, but also your productivity. Can getting up earlier help you become more productive? What should you do during the first hours of your day? What if you aren't a morning person? I like to include some videos on productivity. Just because this is a happy, healthy channel, and I firmly believe that being more productive can increase happiness. Through my new business ventures, I have learned many things that I would like to pass on to you. Personally, I have always been a morning person, but I've never created extra time in the morning for a ritual until recently. The more I read about successful people's habits, the more I realize that most of them follow some sort of routine. If you're a business owner or even thinking about starting a business, this video, I believe, will increase your chances of success. Drink water the first thing in the morning. I've talked about this before in other videos. We wake up each morning dehydrated. The best practice is to drink water as soon as you arise. This serves several purposes. First, it will increase your energy level. Increased hydration boosts the oxygen received by the brain. This will make you more alert and increase your energy. Water helps eliminate toxins. Increased water intake will result in more urine output, which flushes the body of toxins. Also, while we sleep, our immune system goes into repair and recovery mode. This includes removing toxins. Many people begin the day with a cup of coffee that has some beneficial effects, but coffee can also cause more dehydration. Drinking water also improves skin health. Drinking water on an empty stomach can hydrate the skin and increase elasticity. This helps to reduce wrinkles and keeps your skin looking young and healthy. Believe it or not, water can also help to clear up acne and other skin blemishes. It can decrease the frequency of headaches. Many headaches occur as a result of dehydration. The second thing you should do in the morning is enjoy some quiet time. This is a new revelation for me. I've always rushed to get things done and rarely took the time to stop and reflect on other aspects of my life. Spiritual health and gratitude are critical. Here are some activities to calm your mind. This doesn't have to take more than a few minutes, but trust me, it is time well spent. Pray. If you believe in a superior power, the morning is an ideal time to pray. If you wake up before others in your house, this can be a very peaceful practice. Meditate. Meditation has many benefits. Meditation can reduce stress. It's also been shown to help decrease symptoms of various anxiety disorders. Meditation, believe it or not, has also been shown to relieve pain through several brain mechanisms. Our state of mind affects our perception of pain. Meditation can improve sleep. Sleep is a vital part of the productivity equation. We all need an adequate amount of sleep to function at a high level. Meditation has been shown to help people fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Morning's also a good time to recite self-affirmations. This can train you to think positively about important things in your life. You can either find some that fit your personality on the internet, or you can create your own self-affirmations. Here are some of the self-affirmations that I like to recite. I trust that I am on the right path. I use my experiences and talents to help others become healthier. My drive and ambition allow me to reach my goals. I am confident in my ability to create a stable source of residual income that will allow me to retire comfortably. I am grateful to have people in my life who love and support me. This process will help your subconscious mind begin to create more positive thoughts. Visualize yourself where you want to be. Spend some time with your eyes closed, imagining you in your successful future. Visualization is used by athletes and business people to install positive images into the subconscious mind. Okay, one of my favorite things. The morning's also a great time to exercise. We all know the benefits of exercise. To be happy and healthy, you must exercise. Moving gets your blood circulating, and it improves your mood. Exercise helps with weight loss, sleep, energy level, and so much more. Try to do another activity while exercising. What I like to do is spend some time in the morning on my exercise bike while reading positive quotes. This helps me take care of two things at once. I get my exercise, and I also get to read motivational material. Whatever you do, be sure to fit exercise in. If you would prefer to exercise later in the day, that's fine. Just be sure it gets done. And as I just mentioned, I think it's important in the morning to read books on self-improvement. Many people have written books on how they became successful. These books are available for a few dollars in most cases. I have put some links in this video in the description section. There's no reasons to develop new ways of doing things if you can learn them from someone who has already figured it out. Spend a few minutes each morning reading self-help or inspirational books. If you aren't a reader, start by reading a few pages each day. If you do this consistently, you will be able to read many books per year. Another idea is you can get books on your phone, and you can actually listen to books on Audible on your way to work while driving. This is what I do. I listen to books on happiness, being healthy, and just different ideas. The other thing that can help you a lot in the morning is journaling. Journaling has many benefits. It helps you become a better writer, solve problems, and set goals. Writing down your successes and failures can lead you in the right direction. Journaling also improves memory and mood. We have all heard of mindfulness. Journaling gets you there. It forces you to examine your thoughts and feelings. There are many tools to help with journaling. I use the 5-Minute Journal iPhone app, which I purchased for only $4.99. This app helps me focus on the positive aspects of my life. 5 minutes in the morning and evening is all it takes with this simple tool. I suggest working on the most critical items on your to-do list as early as possible. This gives you a jump start on your productive day. Let's look at it this way. Mornings don't have to be a drag. You can learn to love this time of the day. Develop a routine that works for you using some or all of the elements listed above, or make your own list of things to do in the morning. I strongly suggest drinking 2 16-ounce glasses of water shortly after you wake up. Getting up earlier can also increase productivity. You can train yourself to be a morning person. If you do things often enough, they become habits. Trade your bad habits for good ones. Resist hitting the snooze button. If necessary, move your alarm clock across the room so you have to get out of bed to shut it off. Immediately brush your teeth and drink your first glass of water. This should give you the energy you need to move to the next task. The rest is up to you. If this isn't your thing, start small. Get up 45 minutes earlier and try it out. I think you will find this very beneficial. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section of this video. If you know somebody who should possibly get up earlier in the morning, please send this video to them. If you like my content and you want to be a happier and healthier person, subscribe to my channel. I do a video every single day. I'm Pharmacist Michael. Be happy and be healthy.